How many assets does your company have today? And how many can you actually control right now? SysTime is the operational platform designed to give you full visibility over your assets, processes, and time, all from one single place. If you have assets to move and processes to control, SysTime is for you. Built for collision workshops, warehouses, fleets, and logistics centers. Monitor all your assets and inventory in real time. With GPS and RTLS integration, you always know exactly where each asset is and who is responsible for it. Every asset has its own timeline. From intake to final delivery, every process, every responsible person, and every minute is recorded with total precision. The time traffic light instantly shows you which work orders are at risk, which are delayed, and which are on schedule. Make decisions before problems escalate. With the 3D digital twin, you get a real-time visual replica of your facility. See every asset, every zone, and every movement as if you were there. Our artificial intelligence integrates natively into the palm of your hand. During vehicle reception, the advisor simply captures the visual evidence and defines the instruction. To demonstrate the system's accuracy, we will evaluate two simultaneous scenarios. On the left, a vehicle with no issues. On the right, one with an obvious leak. From our intuitive mobile interface, the advisor initiates the workflow by selecting the approval process. Immediately, the task is assigned to our smart assistant, SysTime AI. This is where complexity becomes simple. The advisor attaches the vehicle's photos and outlines the operational guidelines. Using natural language, the advisor enters the following command. Determine if the vehicle has an oil leak in the image. If so, transfer it to the mechanical process with the most available technician. If there is no leak, assign it to the objected status with the work order advisor. In a matter of seconds, SysTime AI analyzes the visual environment in real time, by making precise decisions instantly. If the system detects an anomaly, such as an oil leak, the work order is automatically assigned to the most available mechanic. Otherwise, if the vehicle is in optimal condition, the process is immediately routed to the service advisor for management. No bottlenecks, no downtime. Our multi-tenant architecture allows your company, branches, and departments to operate independently with fully isolated data and configurations. SysTime runs on web via Blazor and on your phone on iOS and Android through MAUI. One platform, all your devices. Start today. Manage your assets, automate your processes, and take full control of your operation in one place. SysTime Time Management.